In prime time news this evening, sanitize shortfall. Are companies less focused on the COVID prevention measure? A TVJ in focus special report. No charge. DPP explains ruling in former Agriculture Minister Floyd Green's DRMA case. And early childhood institutions operating without approval.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime, and your weather reports and the forecast. But before the break, here's our feedback question. This evening we're asking, what's your reaction to the DPP's legal opinion that criminal charges should not be laid against Floyd Green and others who attended a birthday celebration at the R Hotel on a no-movement day? You can share those comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica or tweet at TelevisionJam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.